Hi, in this video we will write a script which goes through the posts of the last 2 days in a subreddit. And then the script looks for a specific word in the title of each post. And if it finds that word, it replies to that particular post. For example, we could write a bot which looks for posts about Christmas, and if the bot finds that the title contains the word Christmas, then the bot says Merry Christmas. So let's do that. We first need to import the Pro library and then create a Reddit instance, as I'm doing in here. Then we said that we want to look through the posts of a subreddit, so we need to create a subreddit. Let's say I'm working on the glass blowing subreddit. Then we want to loop over for post in subreddit.new. So this gives us this page, so reddit.com/r/glassblowing/new, which you get when you press that new button there to sort posts by new. Although this doesn't matter much, because we will filter these by the last 48 hours anyway. So the code goes mostly like in the previous video. We create the current time with date time, from date time import date time. We also get the post time, so I explained these in the previous video, so you should watch that video if you didn't done so already. Then we calculated a delta, and then we had a conditional which checked if delta is less or equal to 24 hours. This time we were working on 48 hours, so 2 days. And then what we do is we have a list where we append these posts. This time we don't want to append anything in a list, we don't want to write anything in a file, so we remove that. What we want to do is we want to check if the word Christmas is in post.title. But be careful, because you should be lowering the title. So the title could be, for example, as you see, this is Christmas with a capital C. So you want to make the entire title lowercase, and then you can check for lowercase Christmas in the lowercase title. So if Christmas in post.title.lower, then we say post.reply. Hey, Christmas is coming. Now, I'll comment this out. Before I do that, I'll first check if I got the actual post title correctly. So let me run this. I also forgot to import time delta. So import that, run again. Yeah, so we got the correct post as we see in the title. Now let's try to add a reply to that post. So run, and let's check now this post. Yeah, hey, Christmas is coming. So my comment is here. It was added just now. And that is how you add comments to a post in Reddit. If you want to add comments to existing comments, then what you need to do is, instead of that, you want to iterate for comments in post.comments. And if, let's say, the word is coming in comment.body, so comment.body gives you the actual text of the comment. If that word is in a comment, so for example, in this comment that we just added, lowercase, so let's just lower the case of the comment, then we do comment.reply. Yeah, it's coming. Run that. And of course we do have this limitation of Reddit that we have to wait now 7 minutes. So I'll try after 7 minutes. Yeah, so 7 minutes have passed, so let's try this again. It seems to be working. Let's check. Yeah, so this is my comment added to an existing comment in a post in a subreddit. So that is the complete code on how to reply to a post and how to reply to a comment in a post on Reddit. Thank you. I'll see you later.